Hello guys, we're here in I don't know what place is this in Taiwan guys, but this is what they call street foods house. Street food house. Oh. There are many foods here. Excuse me. Wow. It's very umot makasipat. This is what they call street foods house. Street foods where many street foods belong. Here. Oh. Kasipat. Wow. Ang sarap mga kasipat. Oh. Sige. At sabi na today what's that? This is the street foods place here in Taiwan guys. Parang kuan lang guys. Parang night market lang din no. Somebody are lining guys. Oh. Pinipilahan guys, pinipilahan. Wow, the buffet. Wow. I will tour you here guys. So, this place is very nice guys. So, look at their street guys. So, colorful. Very colorful. And someone is I don't know what's that. Someone is having his music using a I don't know what's that. Yes guys. Ang daming tao dito guys. Ang daming pagkain guys. The best dito guys oh. Oh. Ay, ito kung gusto niyo bumili ng mga pasalubong, you can buy it here guys. So, ang daming pasalubong. Grabe guys. Beautiful lady guys. Ang ganda dito guys. Very nice place. So, ito guys, sila makasipat ang ganda dito guys. Parang lang guys, night market dito guys, mga street food sa mga benta dito guys. So, come visit here in Taiwan guys. So, grabe, ang daming pagkain, daming tao, different kinds of food. Kain daw kami dito guys. So, we're looking for a spot for us to eat guys. The best cuisine is here. So,
This is really good.
Wow, may mga shells kabibi guys. It looks like it's their market guys. Let's see. Taiwan tea. Hey guys, oh, I don't know what kind of food is this. Oh, what kind of food is that? Oh, dami, kainan pala dito guys. So, daming pagkain guys. Oh. Da, da, da. Daming pagkain dito. Looks like their market guys. I'm drinking the tea. It's given to us guys. Sample tea.
A lot of free taste, guys. A lot of free taste.
A lot of free taste here in Taiwan. Hey. I will tour you around. Wow.
那个适合的。
你的最爱。
Oh, the aroma, the scent mga guys is very, very humot. I don't know where our tour guide is bringing us guys.
北球啊，喝喝看呐，先小瓶的啦，喝喝看，一支冰淇淋的吗？苹果姐的。啊，拉阿婆。那也有讲。
他女儿就直接就上去，他上去。
你们要不要喝看看？这项没关系，不客气。
Is this for free? For free?
Yeah, free taste.
Thank you for free. Thank you so much, sir. For free. Again, guys, may free na naman. Juice. Ang daming free taste dito guys.
Masarap po, masarap.
Or lang.
Masarap sabon.
Here, wow.
How many kiosks is over here?
Wait, at the family market.
Do you know?
Family market.
Is that? Do you know how many kiosks?
Milk tea house.
How many kiosks?
Milk tea.
There's for traditional. Don't forget.
Yeah, stay there. So guys, our tour guide is telling us guys if we will proceed over there in the milk tea house. So guys, so I think we will going to decide how we'll go back to our caravan guys, so we can relax na po guys and we can have our lunch or looking for a place that we can eat sa muna. So that we can eat what is the best cuisine here. Nice. Hey, bye guys, for fun share review.